The next step of the process is to make sure that employees are ready for training. There are a number of different factors that we could examine. Some of the most important include trainees' basic skills. Can they read? Can they write? At what level can they read? At what level can they write? We might also consider their motivation to both attend training, to show up, but also their motivation to participate and to actually learn something from the training. And finally, we might also want to consider employees' attitudes toward training, toward the trainer, toward the topic. Any one of these factors could help us prepare the trainees more effectively for the training that they're about to participate in. If trainees do not have the basic requirements, they can't master the training content. Then we can provide pre-training options to get them caught up to speed so that they can join their peers and learn from the program.